Getting your Provident Fund money could soon become much faster. The Employees Provident Fund Organization, or EPFO, has introduced a new framework that aims to settle eligible PF withdrawal claims within just 3 days, marking one of the biggest reforms to its claim settlement process in recent years. Faster PF withdrawals. The new system is expected to reduce delays by expanding automation and cutting manual intervention. Under the framework, eligible claims with complete KYC details will be processed within 3 days, while cases requiring additional verification may still take longer. To improve accountability, officials responsible for unjustified delays beyond 20 days could face 12% penal interest, ensuring claims are processed within the prescribed timeline. EPFO has also strengthened its auto-settlement mechanism. Earlier, it increased the auto-settlement limit from ₹1 lakh to ₹5 lakh, allowing more advance withdrawal claims to be processed automatically without manual scrutiny. What members should do? The reforms are expected to provide quicker access to PF savings for eligible purposes such as medical emergencies, education, marriage, housing, and unemployment. Subscribers with Aadhaar-linked universal account numbers, updated bank account details, and completed KYC are likely to benefit the most from the faster processing. EPFO has clarified that the contribution structure remains unchanged, with both employees and employers continuing to contribute 12% of the employee's basic salary. The reforms are part of EPFO 3.0, the organization's broader digital transformation initiative, which also aims to introduce PF withdrawals through UPI and ATM-linked access in the future.